This term we're learning about procedural writing. What is a procedure? Well, a procedural text is a factual text. It tells you how to do or make something, and it has step-by-step instructions or directions. It's a great way to teach someone how to do or make something. The reason why we write procedures is, again, to show someone how to make something. Here are some examples. We use them in recipes. We use them how to play a game, how to make something, or even in safety procedure posters. Another word for procedure is a set of instructions. Here's what we need when we're writing our instructional writing. We need to make sure we tell the reader how to do something. We always add a goal. This tells us the purpose of what we're trying to achieve in the instructions. So, how to make a sandcastle. It lists required materials or equipment. So if we're writing about how to make a sandcastle, we'll have a bucket, spade, we'll need some sand, shells, and seaweed. And it'll also have steps, which are put in step-by-step instructions that are numbered. Let's have a look at the example I was talking to you about a moment ago. So, to have a feature of a procedure is always to have a goal, and in this case, how to make a sandcastle. It has materials where they are listed, so bucket, spade, sand, shells, and seaweed. And notice how it was very clear about what kind of sand you need. It's not too dry and needs to be a little bit wet. That's quite important in that material section. And steps. This is what I need to follow. Notice how they are numbered. And they begin with a verb. And most of the time, it's a bossy verb. It really tells me what to do. In this case, it says, fill your bucket to the top with sand. Then pack down the sand so the bucket is nice and full and smooth on top. And I'm noticing the bossy verb is right here. It says flip. And it's got an adverb at the beginning. And it tells me how to do it. So it says, quickly flip the bucket upside down and try not to spill any sand out of the bucket as you do this. Here's another one. Tells me what to do. Tap. But it says gently tap. So there's an adverb there. Describes how to do it. So gently tap the bucket before carefully pulling it upwards off the sandcastle. And finally, the final step, it says, use the seaweed and shells to decorate. Do you notice here, there's a picture. In procedural writing, a feature is also to use images or diagrams of the steps as well. Let's take another look. It's your turn. You're going to need to find the features. I'm noticing these parts in blue are empty. You will need to find out which word on this section on the right, which word or diagram goes where. Use the slide button to slide each of the images or the words into the blue boxes. Keeping in mind that we have a goal, material list, a set of steps that are numbered, and images and diagrams to help. It's your turn to have a go. Enjoy!